How to deactivate your Instagram account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you are logged in to the account that you want to deactivate. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Here, you will see the option for Account Center, so tap on the Account Center option you see there and then tap on the Manage Accounts option. Further, go ahead and tap on the Manage option you see there right beside the account that you want to deactivate, and you will then see the option for deactivation or deletion. So tap on the deactivation or deletion option you see there and then select the deactivate account option and then tap on continue. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, you will be required to enter the password of your account for verification purpose. So go ahead and enter your password and then tap on the continue button, and you will then be required to choose a reason for why you are deactivating your Instagram account. So simply go ahead and choose any of the reason available here and then tap on the continue button. You will then be shown with a guideline of what will happen after you deactivate your account. So simply go through the guideline and you can then go ahead and select the drop down there and choose when you want to reactivate your account, or you can also simply tap on the Don't Reactivate My Account Automatically radio button. Now tap on Done and then tap on the Continue button at the bottom, and then finally tap on the Deactivate Account option you see there, and with this, your account will be deactivated. So, this was about how you can deactivate your Instagram account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.